CliniSys provides an environment where a biomedical scientist or clinician by trade wants to explore an interest in IT and software. What we're doing is taking healthcare professionals and training them in how to develop and install clinical software.
So before I worked in CliniSys, I worked at Wexham Park Hospital in the NHS. I was actually working as an IT administrator for that trust. From working there, I almost knew quite a few of the guys in CliniSys already, so we had a good working relationship in that sense. I love working at CliniSys. The people are great, everyone's so friendly, so easy to approach, and the best thing is that everyone's working hard. It's almost like everyone's singing to the same hymn sheet.
There's a very diverse selection of talent and you learn something new every day, and I really like the projects that we work on here.
I was working in the hospital, I enjoyed IT and I still wanted to help people, so this was a good opportunity. I would advise to take the leap from the lab to CliniSys. It's different but it's rewarding.
For me, the customer is the patient, and I still have the patient care at the heart of everything I do every day. So when I'm testing, I'm still putting the patient's needs first, making sure the product is safe and it's developed to a high quality standard. We do a certain amount of training in-house for our own staff, and we do knowledge sharing within the test team, but they also attend external training courses, particularly with the pathology testers in mind. They've come from a hospital background, they might have very little experience of doing beta or user acceptance test. It gives them all the skill sets they'll need, a good baseline, technical terminology. That's a good starting point for them, and we build on their testing career from there.
By joining CliniSys, I've had a platform to be able to use the skills that I've got, but also develop on the skills and the areas that I would like to work on. So CliniSys is certainly a good platform for that.
There are many challenges and they all breed to motivations, in my opinion. The challenges that we find on a day-to-day is we are a very busy team. We've got quite a large customer footprint throughout the UK as well as internationally. The
advice I'd give to someone joining CliniSys, come in and just work as hard as you can, because I can promise you, if you come in, work hard, you show your potential, then you're going to go places. The other benefit to it is if you come in and work hard, there's that opportunity for you to progress, and that's very clear.
My basic advice is that you have to have a real interest in IT, and it's quite exciting to look at how you blend your clinical knowledge and see it applied in the software context, and the benefit that brings to the workflow within the laboratory and the speed of access that gives to patients across the UK in accessing their results. Everything we do every day helps the health of the nation.